everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Plymouth GTX, matching numbers, 440 4-speed car. I think they built right at 4,000 of these cars, but gorgeous car, man. Less than 1,500 miles on a complete rotisserie restoration. I love the color combination. Factory A4 silver with a black vinyl top. It's got the it's got all new factory black vinyl interior, and it's got the black performance hood striping. You can see it's got 15-inch Magnums with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Those are 10-inch wide rears, so it's kind of got that old school Woodward Avenue drag racer look. But good car. I'll tell you, runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. You can see it's got the black performance hood striping. Factory N96 hood car. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Looks like it's got the original grille in it. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks. Nothing crazy. It's definitely a new front bumper. I love the A4 silver. You just don't see it, guys. So that's my little check mark there that the guys let me know they've checked the fluids on it. Vinyl tops all new. Couple little marks in the rear glass, and you can see it is the original rear glass. Factory rear defog car. That A4 silver is pretty. And again, something you just don't see much of. Taillight bezels look new. This is the original tail panel. You can see just a little pitting in that. Really nice though. Again, new bezels. Car's nice and straight down the side. It does have new quarters. They're full-length quarters. Guys did a really nice job when they put them on. Matter of fact, it even looks like the original insulation. It's kind of cool how they did that, but it's not. Bottom of the car is really nice. It's done actually just like that purple car that we have. The front is all A4 silver, and then the back is in that like a satin paint, black paint. I'm talking about the undercarriage. Again, nice and flat down the sides. I thought these were pretty cool, man. Big 10-inch wide Magnums. Those are all custom. Car does have front disc brakes. You can see in the wheel well there where it's all A4 silver. They did the front like that, and then they, sorry, that's just a little something, guys. Wiped right off. Again, this is a matching numbers car, matching numbers 440 car, factory N96 Air Grabber hood car, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It has been converted to electronic ignition, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Posted a picture of the fender tag as well. Again, all A4 silver in your fender wells there. Dual seam vinyl top. Nice car, man. Man, those have had to been replaced. Those are too nice to be factory, I'll tell you that. Factory dual chrome mirrors, new door handles. See the window fuzz has been replaced, new door rubbers. This is all new interior. I'm going to show you something cool here in a second. New carpet, new sill plates. They've taken the factory seats and just bolstered them a little bit. So if you know what I mean by that, they hold you in a little better. If you've ever been in these cars, you go around the corner, you kind of slide out of them. Factory 6-way power seat, that works, guys. Can't tell you how many cars I've had a 6-way seat and they don't function. This one functions properly. It's got the Hurst shifter in there. 76,086, that's your original miles on the car, factory tach and gauge car. Again, he said there's less than 1,500 miles on the actual restoration. Factory AM radio. It has Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is an 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear end. It's a nice gear. You got plenty of power and you can get on the expressway and cruise. Yeah, it's all painted silver in here. It's all body color, factory jack. Again, it's had quarters put on it, but you can see how they did that. Kind of cool how they put it where it looks like the factory insulation. They did a nice job. Full length quarter panels on it. This is a good car. And like I say, a pleasure to drive, man. Shifts out good. Just a good car. Car's clean underneath. I got you some pictures. Get those posted. Stay good looking car. Missing a couple of little door rubbers. A lot of times, to be honest with you, those fall out. Just not Chrysler's finest moment with those. Again, seats are nice. This is very, very comfortable. I will tell you that. And you really notice the difference when you're at any speed coming around the corner. Fired up. Again, factory doing it. Man, those are really nice. Again, matching numbers 440. Just a good car. Factory Air Grabber car. That's a good looking Mopar right there. I think they built, like you say, right at 4,000 of these cars with a 4-speed in them. Gauges work, tach works, parking brake works, guys. Backup lights work. AM radio works, blower motor works. There's a little reverse light in the dash work. Reverse light in the dash works. Jeez, push your clutch in there, Dirty. Doors open and close good. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. Guys can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Oh, he's coming out hot. Got a little break in the traffic. Have a great day, guys.